So I am the clinical manager for MedShare, which is a case discussion platform targeted at healthcare professionals. We have recently partnered with the Arrhythmia Alliance to provide this platform so that people that are coming to these events, the doctors, nurses, electrophysiologists who are involved with arrhythmia can connect through case discussion beyond the talks. So it's an exciting place to be, and we've got now 1,000 members on our group on the platform who are all engaged with discussing arrhythmia, discussing syncope, and discussing all the things that we care about here today. So it's been an amazing event, lots of interesting speakers, beautiful location, as I'm sure other people have discussed. Great to be able to be part of this and see how healthcare, education, research connects with policy and allows for change to happen.
It's always good for industry to be kind of invited and be part of these kind of community events across the whole arrhythmia space. We've got a long-running relationship with a lot of the partners who are here today. So aside from kind of catching up with a lot of familiar faces, it's always good to see what is the latest in terms of the kind of arrhythmia agenda from a research and data perspective, and also kind of how that links in with sort of the policy agenda as well, and how the group here is helping to drive improvements in terms of both diagnosis of patients and also treatment as well. Based upon kind of the interactions we've had with patients and clinicians who have them in their care, I guess it's that sense of the unknown. And we're one of the manufacturers of one of the DOAC anticoagulant therapies. So I guess it's how does that going to impact on a patient's day-to-day life? What implications it's going to have in terms of if they're working? How's it going to fit in with their lifestyle? What does it mean from a diet perspective? What does it mean in terms of foreign travel and things like that? How important the importance around adherence and being compliant with your treatment regime, and what the consequences are of not doing so as well.
So I'm Graham Plant, I'm the Business Unit Manager for Boston Scientific Rhythm Management Division, and I've been attending these events for probably about 5 years now, and we're really grateful to work closely with the Arrhythmia Alliance in such promotional events, because it's incredibly important to bring all of the different stakeholders together to collaborate on our information, sharing best practices, and basically just ensuring that all patients, customers, clinicians are using the best and most up-to-date information to treat their patients effectively, whilst promoting to the general population as well on significant issues like arrhythmias as well. Well, it's always good. I've met lots of people here that I haven't seen for a long time, so it's a great networking opportunity. I always learn something from the speakers. There's lots of really interesting and relevant current information on clinical statistics, which is always very good to learn. So within arrhythmias, it's probably creating a collective decision-making process. So bringing all of the right stakeholders together to make the right decisions for patients. So ensuring that everyone is furnished with the right information in terms of clinical pathways and whatever it might be and the treatments available, and ensuring that everyone is associated to a patient's care has the right information to ensure the patient gets the optimal treatment.